Every summer, when this Texas heat would start creeping in, my family and I, including family friends, would just have to make some delicious sun tea.
Mama, you can't talk about me. Mama, how many these do we need?
We need 8 of them, son.
Got 2.
Okay.
Why do we stick together? And this is only one.
Yep, there you go. Let it hang off the side.
Mama, I do all of those.
Okay.
I do about pouring pots too, Mom.
Okay, we have 2 in there already. Oh,
Oops.
whoops the daisy. How many is that going to be?
8.
Nope. There's 4 in here.
It's gonna be 6.
Yep.
Just let me do the rest.
So how many more do we need if we have 6 already?
2.
That's right, we need 2 more. Once everything's in, we're just going to make sure everything is dunked and wet before we place our tea in the sun.
Wow.
3.
Hey, Mama.
Okay.
Can you move it while I move it? It looks so
Don't let this fall in.
But
I'll
it
leave it
looks
for
so
later.
cool.
There you go. Now put the lid on for me, please. I'm going to make sure that this has a screw top
And then it has
so
a
it can
screw
hold
top.
in the heat. Trap it all in. There we go.
Look at this, Mama.
Okay,
Look
time to
at
take it
this.
outside.
I'm climbing out.
This is the hottest point of the day. So now all I have
Let
to do is
me
take it
carry it.
outside. I just put the tea out in the sun. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the hottest point of the day. And although this Texas heat can brew this tea really quickly, I'm going to set it out for an hour. I'm going to go inside, set my timer, and then I'm going to get some sewing done. See you in a bit. This is after 15 minutes in the sun. Looking good. In addition to my sun tea, I like to have a side of cold grapefruit. I love cold fruit in the summer. Cold crispy lettuce. And cold lunches. I have a lot of tuna sandwiches around this time, a lot of egg salad sandwiches. I can link my videos for those in the description box below. I have some cold golden kiwi right out of the refrigerator. Sun tea is just one of those things we make every year, and I make 2 batches at a time so that when we run out of one pitcher, we always have another one on hand while I make another pitcher. Don't mind if I do. It's one of those no fuss, no frills kind of thing, you like the crock pot. Set it and forget it. Same thing, you just let the sun brew it for you and add your sugar in later. Our sugar preference is 1.5 cups, but you can go up to 2 cups. It gets super sweet. True Southern sweet tea is very sweet with some lemon and some mint. I don't prefer to have lemon or mint in my tea, so I just do the sugar. And lately we've been doing less sugar in the house, so that's why we're down to 1.5 cups. For our tea, we are going to use 1.5 cups of sugar, granulated sugar. You can use as much or as little as you prefer, totally up to you. Okay, my sugar's in. My tea has been brewed. Just time to mix. I always transfer from the jar to a pitcher for storage. I just use the jar strictly for brew. Boil, boil, toil and trouble. And then into the refrigerator I go. And because I already have a pitcher made, I don't have to worry about waiting for this to cool down. I already have something cooled down. And then I add a ton of ice. We have had extreme heat lately. It can be 100, it could be in the 90s, but feel 105 and up. Even 115 these days. So yes, I'm using a lot of ice. Cheers. Make everything to your preference, just the way you love. Use what you have and make it spectacular. Toodles!